Okay, before we do that, make sure to get scissors and paper and a pencil because we will do a sort and we'll be writing a sentence as well. Are we ready? Let's do our sounds. Ready? Yeah. And at home, do this with us.
E, A, O, A.
You're right. And the C can also say S, like an S, like city.
Soccer.
Soccer is actually an S.
Whoopsie.
Like city.
City.
Okay, go to the K.
Or
Let's get started. Take 3 letters to make the word set. I set the table. Set. Please make that word and write it on a piece of paper for a sort.
Set.
Okay, say it for us.
Set.
Number 2, change the first letter in set to make pet. Pet. Do you have a pet? Pet.
Pet.
Gina's written it down. I hope you did at home. Number 3, just change the vowel and make pot. We can plant flowers in a pot. Pot down on a piece of paper. Add 1 letter to pot to make spot. I spilled juice and it made a big spot on the rug. Spot.
I sing on that spot. Spot.
Okay, move the letters around in spot to make the word stop.
Stop.
Please stop talking. Good job, Gina. Write that word down.
Stop.
Change the vowel in stop to make step. Step up here. Step.
Step.
Okay, now we're going to spell a 4-letter word.
Step.
And you will need the CK to spell the K sound. So you're going to need the CK. Take 4 letters and make the word sock. I can only find 1 sock.
I got this one in the bag.
So take the CK to make the K sound. Sock.
Sock. That?
That's right. Look at Eliana's if you need help. Sock. We're taking the CK, Andrina, to make the K sound. That's going to go together. Okay, sock. Please write that word down. Sock.
Sock.
Let's use the CK again. So leave the ending CK there. And spell peck. Chickens peck at their food. Peck.
Or do we even eat?
Egg. I hear you sounding that out, Andrina. Nice.
I like doing it.
Add 1 letter to peck. Sorry. I'll give you time to write it down. Write down peck. Add 1 letter now to peck to make speck. Please wipe every speck of crumbs off your desk. Speck.
Speck.
That's okay. Add 1 letter, Andrina, to peck to make speck. What do you hear first? Speck. You got it. Write that word down. Now it's time for our secret word. I will give you some clues first. It starts with the P. Okay, I'll get you one more. And it has the CK in the middle. So again, it starts with the P. So Aliana's going to move the P to the first sound. It has the CK in the middle of the word, not at the end. Move that over a little bit.
Like that?
Uh-huh.
And there's one between, right? There's one.
Okay. Go ahead and see if you can put all the letters together to make a word. You're onto something.
What? Me?
Mm-hmm.
With the O?
Starts with a P.
No.
I'm going to give you a clue.
Okay.
You can put keys and rocks and gum in these. We have them, some of us have them on our pants in the front or the back. The CK goes in the middle to make the K sound. Let's say it. 1, 2, 3.
Pocket!
Good job!
Confetti, 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 confetti. We figured it out.
Okay, so next what I'd like you to do is cut out the words. Make sure to write pockets down so we can do our sort.
Okay.
Welcome back to our word sort. Right now you should have your words in front of you and we're going to read them. As we read them, be thinking about how you're going to sort them. Today I'm going to tell you to sort them by the beginning sound or the first sound. So as we read them, use your eyes and your ears. Drina, are you ready with your marker to point to read? Ready?
Pockets. Speak.
Switch the sound and say eh.
Speck.
Speck.
Pet. Spot.
Uh-oh, that one's upside down. You want to turn it over? Thanks.
Up. Spop.
Well, actually that's the S and a T. St.
Up.
Up. There you go.
Stop.
Mm-hmm.
Stop. Step. Pot. Et. Set. Peck. Peck. Sock.
Very good. Okay. At home, please sort your words based on the beginning or the first sound. Andrea's going to do the same thing. Go ahead. And let's read them together. Step, sp,
Back.
speck, spot,
Stop.
stop, set, sock,
Pot.
pa.
Pockets.
Good.
Pet.
Pet.
Pot. Peck.
There you go. Take one word and write the word in a sentence. If you'd like to do 2 or 3 words, you may do that. Do you know what's going to be your sentence?
My pockets are fluffy inside.
Okay, let's see how you start that.
My pockets
Let's stretch it up.
are
We learned the CK in the middle.
at
Makes that K sound. And at the end.
Pockets.
Pack.
inside. Side. Side.
Oh, we forgot something at the end of your sentence. Put your period. Good job.